Hi everyone, it's Louise and welcome, and I jump right in here. So for these coasters I'm using I don't know if you can see the consistency here. This is my slop bucket. So it's my extra paint. When you see me always peeling off the paint scraping the paint off, this is what I'm doing. And then I run it through a little filter strainer, a nylon, and I reuse it. And it's slightly off-white, but it's perfectly usable. So I'm starting with my scrap paint. And you know what? I talked about it in one of the videos about, what's the worst that can go wrong. I thought I strained it, but obviously there's something still in there. So yeah, I'm just trying out another palette because I'm trying to make another tray. Folks, this is my my fourth one, not counting the first two of the set. My first two fell out of favor. So I'm going to double time and talk through this as I'm layering the colors. Basically, the order is 24 karat gold by DecoArt, and then I go to Artez's Pearl Sky Blue, and then Liquitex's Bright Aqua Green, and then Golden's Fluorescent Pink that I added some zinc white to it just to lighten it up, as I didn't want to have it so flaming pink. And then I have my Golden's Payne's Gray followed up by Artist Loft Metallic Blue. That is the lineup for the colors. This is my 6th coaster today, and my first two, they looked nice, but they're very anemic. They're really washed out. So it took me a while to figure out all I had to do was lay down more color. And once I got that on the third tile, the rest were great. So sometimes, word of the wise, sometimes your combination's fine. You just have to get the right color quantity amounts down. Now here's the cell activator. This is American Floetrol again. And then that was the white, titanium white, and the oxide black by Amsterdam. And now here we go with the blow. So I know I mentioned it in a previous video that each blowout is different, and this one was different again. It didn't want me to blow it straight on. I had to blow this cell activator over the colors out of the side of my mouth because it didn't want to go otherwise. So you just sometimes have to be very flexible and react in the moment as to what the paint is giving you so that you can work with it. So try as I might, it took me a little bit to get this cell activator to flow over the top. And I don't understand sometimes. I wish I had the answers. But it finally went and had a good start. So I'm still on double time here, and all I'm doing is, pulling the paint to the corners. So when I start to spin, the paint has something to flow onto instead of rolling over itself as it starts to stretch out. Wow. Cell explosion. Look at the size of this thing. What the hell is this? If I can get that out of there, that'd be a miracle. Well, it came out. Miracle. Okay. I should have explained what I was doing there. The way this paint spray runs like this in like a half a circle, it's just flowing. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is really pretty. After my first 2 pours, I almost swapped out this color combination. When all I needed to do put some color down. For God's sakes, just put some color down. The thing about these is the composition is really good, in my opinion. I mean, I'm no expert. I don't think there's any judges panel. Oh, do I see something in there? Hello. I think it's almost done. So what I think is so cool about this is this little horn of Payne's Gray right there. All right, everyone, so that's a wrap. Here is an up close of the one we just created. And here are the 4 in the set that I don't end up making a tray out of, but I really like this kind of cool, beachy, wintry vibe that these tiles seem to speak to me. So just wanted to share this with you, and thank you for joining me. And if you like my video, please subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get all my latest uploads. Thanks a lot, and take care.